Conditions have MTA canceling all commuter bus service today.
There also won't be any mobility or paratransit service until possibly 6 a.m. tomorrow. MARC commuter trains are operating on a reduced R schedule. Most local buses are running on diverted schedules, and we posted a link to this on Facebook. Just head to facebook.com/WMAR-TV. The snow is also causing big problems for flyers.
Nationwide today, more than 6,000 flights have been canceled or delayed, most of them up and down the East Coast. At BWI, there's more than 500 incoming and departing flights that have been grounded. If you have a flight to catch, be sure to call the airline before you head out toward the airport today.